Okay, starting on stage 3, but just before we get started on that, do a bit of cable management. Right, let's see. So, what we're going to do is take these two, and again, more twisting. Let's try and get them somewhere centered. And just twist them round. Until pretty much a single piece. And then you want that to go through there. Okay, this could be a challenge. Again, fiddly. I think I may have to get some tweezers. One more. I can't really see what's going on here because my fingers will be in the way, but right, and get that one through. So what's that one? No, that one's not gone through. This one doesn't want to go through. There we go. Right. So I now have all these plugs relatively neatly tucked away there. And I'll take this one. Is that going to interfere? Yeah, I can see that interfering with this. No, okay, maybe not. Right. Take that through this way, possibly. I'm not sure this will work. Send one through and see what happens. Yes, so that just go all the way through. Right, and yeah, that's coming out there nicely. And that gives us, make sure that cable doesn't interfere with the steering. And then select these. Take those through this way. I have to do these in 2 batches. And and that's through there. And bring them back out. And there we go. So we now have this set of cables through here. And we'll see once we have to actually connect all these up how fiddly that's going to be. And a bit more slack on that one. Right. Now we move on to the next segment, which involves taking the front wheels off. So this could be a challenge, as they are pretty There we go, there's one. And right, there we go. There's another one. Let's put that for now. And let's quick review of what's actually happening here. This one's a bit tricky. Right, reading that right. This one's take these off as well. A bit more than really need to come off there, but that shouldn't be a problem. Right, now with these boys, let's see. The LEDs on one side and the other side is sticky. So, and these are going to live, easy to put you on that side, you want to live in there. But before stick them down, connect up the cables. Now these plugs are tiny. And thankfully they only fit in one way. I'm sure if you force them hard enough they won't go the other way, but that wouldn't be good. But yeah, once it's around the right way, it's fairly obvious. Yeah, that's clipped in nicely. Next one. Doesn't really matter which end you put them on, as they're just chained together, so works either side. Right, let's see what they've done here. So you've got that there, and bringing that through the back. It's really difficult to see in black cable on black. Right. What's not obvious is why it said to get 4 cables out. As far as I can see, I need 2. Okay. Well, here goes. Obviously, if you completely cock up, you can't just pull these off, but you'll probably use the stickiness. So this sits across these pieces down here. Try and get them somewhat even. Yeah, having nails comes in handy. Right, and this you probably possibly see this side a bit easier. No, I can't because the camera's in the way. That looks pretty good. Right, let's stick that in. So, and that's come off again. Yeah, it's a problem with handling Lego. Random bits tend to fall off. Because when the fix the headset again, headlights again, but you can see the lights sitting in there. Yeah, these headlights are going to be problematic thanks to those cables. Right, so all I need to do here is feed this cable up through there, and likewise on this side, feed this cable up through there. Now, the only thing to be conscious of is put this back on, is making sure it doesn't interfere with the cabling. Make sure there's nothing missed there. Well, actually it's saying take it a different way. I see what's done, right. Okay, yeah, that probably makes more sense. And explains why it has to take these pieces off before. Right, what it's actually doing, I'll firstly put that one back because I don't actually need to take that side off. Right, it's actually saying take that up this way, so that will hold it in place and keep the cable out of the way of the wheel. Just give that a bit of slack. Yeah, that's better. And do the same on this side. Back. Right, so same sort of thing on this side. Probably can't see, but feeding that between these two parts. So when this one clips in, it holds the cable more in place and away from the wheel. Let's see if this thing will go back in. Yep, there we go. Just about. And then put that piece back on. Right, so now, yeah, the cable's well clear of the wheel, and the wheel should just the wheel should just clip on, but because of the steering mechanism, it's been a pain. That's it. And this side. Yeah, and that wants to fall off now. Yeah. Yeah, this one's been a pain as well. That's it. Yep. And that piece can go back on there. So yeah, still got full movement of the steering wheels, or the wheels even, and no cables getting in the way, which is what I want. And then this joins these cables through this gap. And this one follows these through this hole, if it will fit. Yeah, you can see the bottom of this looking very messy by the end of this, or at least full of cables.